this today. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig install for my friend because it's her birthday. So let me tell y'all, this wig is actually like a year old maybe. I did this wig for her very quickly on her birthday last year, and I didn't get to actually pluck it fully because I didn't have time. We were out of town, I think, and we just didn't have enough time to fully do the nice install. So today I'm actually rushing as well. I'm not actually going to be able to pluck some more, but I am going to be just, doing the install as best as I can, and of course slaying this wig install for her. So y'all just wait and see how I revive this wig. So as you can see here, I am using the yellow Got2b glue spray to glue down her wig, as I usually use. I usually do 3 to 4 layers, dry them in between until they're a bit tacky, and then spray again. And then once I have the last layer, once it's tacky, then I'll go ahead and lay down the wig. And also you can see that I'm only doing the top middle part of the wig, and then I'll do the sides separately just to make sure that it's all even in the front. So now that the wig is glued down, I'm going to start on the edges using the Nairobi wrap lotion. This wrap lotion is the only one that I use. It's the best one in my opinion. So I suggest it for y'all. It is like $12 or $13, but you can get it on Amazon or the beauty supply, pretty much anywhere. But I also use it on curly wigs as well because it holds the curl well. So just wait and see how I truly transform this wig for her and make her look like the beautiful queen she is for her birthday.
You want me to cut this off?
Cut one side?
So it's not like your ears?
Cut my ears?
No. Yeah, I'm gonna cut your ears. No, I got you. Hold on. You can take one of these with you if you want and just wrap it around your head at night to keep your edges down.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I'm gonna use it right now first and then just put it on. It's literally so easy, like perfect.
see.
So now that the wig is glued down and the edges are laid, I'm gonna spray a little bit more Glad2Be glue spray on the edges and then put a little bit of mousse on there. This is what I like to do because it makes it look very flat and the edges stay soft because I don't like when they get hard. So the mousse helps with that, and then obviously the spray helps to glue it down a little bit more. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start straightening the wig for her. Also, this edge wrap thing is what I told her she could take home. I just bought a bunch of them, so I like to use it for my edges.
Flat.
This wig is not that flat yet. So now I'm finally going in with my hot comb, which I think is crucial to laying down a wig because obviously it makes it look flatter to your head and much more natural. So just wait and see how much of a difference this makes. This is Care wax stick. It's pretty much like beeswax, but in stick, so you can keep the top.
Dude, miracles happen. I gotta.
Now I'm just doing my final touches using my contour palette to just make the edges look a little bit more natural and blend them into her skin some.